How to create a Gmail account on Android phone step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. When you open your Gmail account, this page will appear. Next, go to your profile. Press to expand switch account if you have more than one Gmail accounts. Press add another account. Add another account setting lets you sign in to one more Gmail account. You can then quickly change between accounts without logging out. The setup email setting helps you add a new email to your Gmail app or account. It guides you step by step to start using that email. Select Google. Google may ask for verify your account. The sign-in setting lets you enter your email and password to open your Gmail account. It gives you access to your emails and settings, but we want to add a new account. Then press Create Account. You will see two options, for my personal use and for work or my business. Options help choose how you want to use Gmail. Personal is for private use, and work/business is for job or company use. We select for my personal use. Next, enter your name. Step asks you to type your first and last name. This name will show in your Gmail and when you send emails. Next, basic information setting asks for simple details like your birthday or gender. This helps keep your account safe and personal. Next, choose your Gmail address. Step lets you pick your email name, like example@gmail.com. This will be your main email for sending and getting messages. Next, create a strong password. Step asks you to make a secret code with letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password keeps your Gmail account safe from others. Next, review your account info. Step lets you check all the details you added, like your name and email. It helps you make sure everything is correct before moving on. Next, privacy and terms. Step shows Google's rules about how they use your info. You need to read and accept these to use your Gmail account. Now your new Gmail is ready. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.